An act of gratitude. Once upon a time, the peace in the animal kingdom was somewhat disturbed on one Sunday morning with the arrival of a stranger. A man dressed in a sarong, carrying a bow and arrow, just walked into the animal kingdom. He did not appear to be a hunter, judging by the way he carried the bow. However, his arrival in the animal kingdom made all the animals tremble in fear. As soon as they heard the news that a man had arrived with a bow and arrow, almost all the animals went into hiding. However, a little bird was singing, perched on the branch of a tree. The man who was carrying the bow and arrow also did not want to kill any animals, but he simply enjoyed aiming the bow and arrow at innocent animals who ran away in fear. Once he aimed and shot an arrow at a mango high up in a tree. The mango fell down with a thud, and he picked it up. In the meantime, the little bird saw Mr. Ant being carried away down the stream. He noticed how the poor ant was struggling to get out of the difficulty, but the stream showed no mercy. The little bird felt sorry for Mr. Ant. He picked a leaf from the mango tree and dropped it into the stream. When the mango leaf came floating down the stream, Mr. Ant quickly crawled onto it. The little bird was very happy that he was able to save the life of an ant. So he started singing his favorite song. At this moment, the man aimed an arrow at the little bird and was about to shoot. Mr. Ant realized that he should act fast to save his friend. He quickly ran towards the man and bit his right foot. The sting was so strong that the man dropped the bow and arrow and looked for the insect to teach him a good lesson. However, by that time, Mr. Ant had vanished into a thick bush. The little bird started singing another beautiful song in praise of Mr. Ant. Moral: kindness is never wasted. Even the smallest act of compassion can save a life, and one day it may come back to protect you when you least expect it. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.